Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Possessed Immigrants Attack Flight Attendants 1 minute after takeoff and swallow rosary beads by Cops and Karens. What the f-
Get the cop! Get the cop! There's a lot going on in there.
Shit.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Open it.
Get the cop!
Stand back! Move! You're about to get tased!
Come on, black shirt, get out the way.
You're gonna get tased!
This is 31-year-old Haitian immigrant delaying Augustin and his sister Magina moments after he kicked a flight attendant in the chest, launching her across the aisle. But now, with officers rushing to the scene, these two Haitian siblings were only getting started.
Uh-oh.
Stop! You're gonna get tased! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go!
sir. Let him go. Ma'am, let him go.
What the hell? Why she won't let her brother go?
You gotta let him go.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am, you have to let him go.
Let him go, ma'am.
Ma'am, let go!
Ma'am, let go.
Ma'am,
Let go.
Ma'am, let go!
She know her brother about to go to jail. He probably gonna get deported.
Go.
Ma'am, let go!
This has got 3 officers and a civilian with them. Tasers out. Let go.
Ma'am, let go!
She's been holding his hand throughout the entire episode. So they're together. They're together. No, she's been holding his hand. She's been holding him.
You have to get off of him. Man.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I would not have wanted to ride on this flight. I would have been like, can y'all book me on another one, please? Fuck this. Are they doing voodoo? They practicing the curse? What the hell going on?
You have to let him go. Sir, are you okay? Are you okay, sir? Let him go. Ma'am, you have to let him go. Let her go. Let her go.
He like, what the hell going on? I would have been looking the same way. I ain't gonna cap to you.
He won't let her go. Ma'am, you have to let him go. You have to let him go, ma'am. Okay, babe, you have to let him go.
Let's make sure this guy doesn't kick my officer.
What the fuck is she doing?
Que le sang de Jésus nous protège. Que le sang de Jésus nous protège. Let him go!
I want to know the reason why they fucked up a whole flight for this shit. Can somebody tell me what the fuck he's saying?
You have to let them go. I got this. I've got the other hand.
Why they ain't why he ain't letting go? Or she ain't letting go. What the hell is going on?
She won't let go.
Why?
Can you try to yank her out?
Man, why the fuck y'all ain't tased her yet, bro?
Okay, I need.
Where's her other leg?
I got his left hand.
It's under the seat.
Okay, that's okay. I don't want her to get hurt.
Are they gonna ever get them out of here? Like, what the fuck?
There you go.
What the fuck? Like trying to pull two cats away from each other that was fighting.
There we go. Get her, get her. Get her off, get her off.
What the fuck? Why is she holding on for dear life?
L'amour de Jésus-Christ. L'amour du Seigneur va nous libérer. Maman Marie au pas.
Oh yeah, I would have been bzzz, right all in her back.
Maman Marie, oui. Ah, nous pas capable. Maman Marie. Get her off, get her off.
Who leg is that? It's like a key game of Twister. They about to make her pull out her clothes?
Let go! He's got his hair.
He has her hair.
Yeah.
You got that, sir?
As the two siblings cling desperately to each other, with a man holding onto his sister's hair, they're unaware that the officers are preparing to use whatever force necessary to separate them.
Uh-oh. There we go. Y'all was taking too long to get that shit out. Should have been bzzz.
Okay. I got a clear shot or a taser.
Taser, taser.
Not her, yeah.
Yeah, he's got her hair.
Yeah, I go. I'm gonna tase him if he doesn't let go.
Yeah.
Just get her restrained.
This is a little weird, a little kinky.
We got her.
I don't know why she holding on to him so tight, and I don't know why he holding on to her so tight. You know what I'm saying? This is far more than just a brother-sister relationship.
Okay.
What's up, mama?
It's the hair.
Yeah, he casting a spell.
I got the thumb.
What they got going on in Haiti? Are they finna start cutting her hair? Ooh.
All right, that's it. You do that.
Oh, he said, fuck it. Where he at?
All right, ready? Stand back. Stand by for taser.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let go.
There you go.
Seigneur, merci. Merci, Seigneur. Je dis, oui, nana. Oui, me connais from playing.
He need about 3 more tasers. She ain't gonna have no edges.
Okay, I'm gonna hit him again. Stand by. Stand by. Taser, taser, taser.
Non. C'est pas capable de crier, nous pas capable.
Let go. Let go of her hair. Let go.
Ça top comme là. Ça top comme là. Ça top comme là.
It's two.
I hope we get some context as to why they holding on to each other so tightly for life.
Ça top comme là, pas capable. Ça top comme là. Oh, please.
There you go.
Oh, Chris.
They both need to go into a mental asylum.
As officers wrestle for control and force the man down against the aisle floor, you can see rosary beads still gripped tightly in his hand. These are typically used as a traditional prayer tool. But as the struggle continues, those same beads will quickly take this incident in an alarming direction.
Oh, he about to choke on him? I don't know what the fuck he was doing. Yeah, she wouldn't be able to fly with my air charter company no more. This is weird as hell. I done seen a lot of weird videos, but this shit here,
He's fighting.
Of course he is.
Stop. Stop.
He gotta be on some type of drugs.
Stop biting. He's biting into something.
He's biting into the hair. It's in his hand.
Can you fix her shirt? Fix her shirt. All right, man. I'm just gonna make it decent. All right. You hurt anywhere? This one.
You gotta drag him out. See if we can drag him out.
Why is she smiling and singing a song?
Okay. Grab that arm.
They had to cut her hair out. My sibling cut my hair out, I'm gonna cut my foot off in their ass.
Okay.
That's bad when you gotta get dragged off a plane like a goddamn animal.
Watch his hair. Watch his hair. Watch his hair. All right. We got room to work now. All right. The probes. And those probes are in there. Good. Hold on. Let's see. Make sure.
I would say maybe roll him that way.
Okay. Let's roll him this way.
Yeah.
Yo, this is the weirdest video I done ever watched.
What's this taser wire? Okay.
Yeah, why is she so happy? It was getting a flight attendant hurt this rewarding? Like, what the fuck?
Got it. Okay. We'll take a break. Breathe.
Let me get the cuff. Let me lock.
Couple lock.
That's crazy.
I only have 2 probes. I don't know where that 3rd probe
Why they letting them choke on the rosary beads? I would have been kicked that shit away from him.
Don't swallow. Don't swallow. Don't swallow. No swallowing. No swallowing.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. The pressure point's not going to stop till you open your mouth. Set it up.
He's trying to ingest the rosary.
What the fuck?
Set it out, sir.
He's got pieces of the rosary in his mouth.
Set it out.
He's trying to eat that.
Yep.
What happened?
Okay, so right after takeoff, I think everybody heard he started to, I thought it was an epileptic seizure or something. He sat right there. So I sat here and I saw him, like had a clear view of him there, and he started to like go like this. Like his head was going, and I thought it was an epilepsy thing, and then it got louder and louder, right?
Yeah.
He was kicking his feet, and then he was saying stuff the whole time. I have no idea what he was saying. I don't know what language he speaks. I kind of started freaking out because it wasn't stopping. He was holding his, I have a video actually, but he was going like this, like he wasn't really looking. And then as soon as she asked, "Are you okay?" He was still sitting down. He never took his seatbelt off until we got here.
Okay.
He like lifted his leg up high and kicked her so hard in the chest.
Okay.
And then that was when we panicked. And then I came back, like I got so scared to go to the other.
I would have been panicking too, shit.
Police then proceeded to question the woman, but that's when they realized they were just beginning to understand the severity of their delusions.
Huh? Yeah, I'm good. You good? So what happened?
What was prayer?
Just praying.
Yes, that's a prayer because we were engaged. That's why we were
Okay,
praying.
so let me ask you a question.
Listen.
Why is his mouth?
Look at the look on the officer's face. Like, what the fuck? What are you talking about? Praying?
bleeding? What happened next?
Because the evil was trying to take it down. Take it down. That's
They
why
actually showed me a video of what the young man was doing. Why was he acting like that?
we were praying.
You were praying and actually kicking stuff. Him.
We were praying. I was not kicking.
Well, you were.
The Lord was kicking.
So, what about the whole incident with him kicking some lady in the chest? What happened to that? What was that about?
The Lord was kicking, not us. The Lord was kicking, not us. We were just a soldier.
No, y'all need to soldier y'all ass into a mental hospital.
Do you have an idea or you have a driver's license? You said you were praying. Please help me make that sense. Make sense in that. Because it didn't look like you were praying.
We were praying.
No,
Okay. So
You need to believe.
no, she can pick you up.
Because there is some force.
see, here's the thing.
There
I'm
is
not trying
some
to cut you
force
off.
that is bigger than us.
You're
So-
no, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
you're saying I need to
Yes.
believe it. I want to believe it. You're right. I got a whole plane full in there saying other things. So what happened?
They were trying to kick him down.
Kick who down?
My brother, they were trying to kick us down.
He's your brother.
How? Nah, hell nah.
Yes, he is my brother.
Okay.
He's my little brother, actually.
And your little brother?
Yes, we're from the tribe of Levi.
You need to go back. You need to go back. Don't come back.
Okay. So
We're descendants of Abraham.
so when we asked you to let him go, why weren't you letting him go?
Because if I let go, the devil will eat me alive. That's why I did that.
Who?
The evil.
The devil will let. Okay. How did
So your brother is evil.
you end up in that position? How did
In the plane,
right?
oh, we wanted to go to Miami and go home.
Okay.
So when we entered the plane and we feel something bad,
Okay.
so now we said we're gonna stop praying, and he hold my hand, and I needed to close my eyes all the time and believe. That's what we were.
Why did he have
If this is a religion I don't want to be a part of, if it come with this.
they go clump of your hair?
Oh, he didn't want to let me go because that's why you guys didn't understand. If we stay together, we are strong together.
As far as I'm concerned, what's going to happen is you're probably going to talk to the FBI lady. This happened in air. This is considered federal.
Okay.
Okay.
Hell no. I know she
Well,
did she just blow him a kiss or like what? Damn. Hold on. Flight attendant thinking in a bowl of oatmeal. But anyway,
Eventually released, 31-year-old Augustin was turned over to the FBI and charged with interference with flight crew members, along with state charges including battery, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers, and criminal damage to property. Investigators also discovered he had no permanent U.S. address and was in the country on a visa, which expired while he sat in custody following his arrest. As of
Shaking
December
my head.
2025, Augustin remains confined at a federal medical center in Massachusetts,
exactly. He need to stay there for the rest of his life.
where he's undergoing mental health treatment in an attempt to restore his competence to stand trial in his ongoing federal case. There have been no reports yet regarding possible deportation, but if you subscribe to my channel, I'll keep you updated if and when that happens.
Heck no. He don't need to keep him in there. You hear me? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.